This is a demonstration about how to create a big cable loop that will be tied in 3 different parts of your telescope mount to avoid cable snags, especially during the meridian flip. If you want to watch the full tutorial on how I created the big cable loop, please follow the link on the right side of the screen. The big cable loop. All of the cables that are coming off the cable loom, ideally on the back of the telescope. The first tie is on the front of the saddle, and then from there you have to create that big loop, and you're going to tie that to the back leg of the telescope, or the back of the telescope if it has a handle. And then that big cable is the one that goes to the computer. Testing for possible snags. Just be sure that you rotate that telescope in all kinds of directions. There's still some cables hanging, but those are mostly power cables. The big cable loop is extremely effective. I've tested it many times, and I haven't had any cable snag in a long time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.